Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nicole. In this video, let's talk about Coins.ph. So Coins.ph is one of the e-wallets that I have, and the cool thing with them is that in addition to being a regular e-wallet, they're also actually powered by blockchain, and you can use them for crypto-related transactions. So for transparency, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Coins.ph, but they're actually one of the first e-wallets that I used back in 2018 pa. And I was checking out my transaction history sa app, and it looks like I bought Bitcoin and Ethereum na way back in 2018, nung mababa pa yung price. Look at that. But ayun, to make this more organized, this is how I want to structure this video. First, what is Coins.ph? Who is this company? Where did they come from? Especially for those of you guys who are hearing about them for the first time. And then next, let's talk about the features of Coins.ph. So because it's powered by blockchain, there are some crypto-specific features that it offers to its users. And then last, we're gonna have a mini Coins.ph tutorial on how to use their app, like how to cash in, how to buy crypto, all those stuff. Sounds good? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, what is Coins.ph? So just a quick background, Coins.ph is a fintech company that was founded here in the Philippines way back in 2014. They're regulated by the BSP, and they're actually the first blockchain-based company in the entire Asia to receive a virtual currency and electronic money issuer license from a central bank. Pero simply put, they're an e-wallet. They give you that magic superpower to go cashless. With Coins.ph, you can do the usual things like sending and receiving money from other users, to remittance centers, pwede rin e-wallets and banks. You can also buy load, pay your bills, and then also buy gain credits. They've also built one of the country's largest cash distribution networks by having over 33,000 partner locations here in the Philippines and over 500,000 partner locations worldwide. So they're big, they're massive. And if you're wondering if you should use Coins.ph, since they're regulated by the BSP, you can actually rest assured that your funds are going to be safe when you use their platform. And easy to use din yung platform nila because you can access your account in two ways. So first is through the mobile app when you download it on your phone, and then the next is when you log into the browser. You can also access your account from there. Next, let's talk about the features of Coins.ph. Like I said, they're an e-wallet, which means that you can use their app to pay your bills. So on their app, makikita mo may mga broadband dito, electricity bill, water bill, pwede rin yung mga credit card bills, government contributions, it's all here. And dito sa app, you can see that you can also buy load for your phone. All networks are supported, so you just need to enter your phone number, so you can choose whether you want to top up lang yung peso or gusto mo mag-subscribe sa promo mismo. Then of course, you can send or receive money. So makita mo here, you can send to another Coins.ph user. You can also send to another bank account, another e-wallet, pera padala pag remittance center. Or if you have your friend nearby, isi-scan mo lang yung QR code niya. Tapos pwede mo na siya padalhan ng pera. And you can also use their app to top up for game credits. Say for example, you play Valorant, Roblox, Minecraft, Genshin Impact, Mobile Legends, or you want to top up your Steam Wallet account. Or pag naglalaro ka ng console, let's say for example, may Xbox ka, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, you can also top up here. Also, pag nagko-commute ka or you use the tollway, mga Skyway Express, you can also top up your balance with the Coins.ph app. Para very convenient, cashless na talaga. And of course, yung exciting part, yung crypto-related features nila, which I think are very beginner-friendly. I actually bought some of my first few coins, yung Bitcoin and Ethereum, using Coins.ph. So if you take a look at their app there's actually a couple of coins available to buy and sell. They have a separate trading platform pa sa desktop. But in the app, you can easily just send and receive crypto and then convert it to peso or convert to different types of crypto. So they have a couple of coins available on their app, but I believe na magdadagdag pa sila sa future. But for now, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, SLP, Bitcoin Cash, Kyber, Maker. Yeah, here's a list of what they have right now. Ayun, very exciting. Now let's proceed to the Coins.ph mini tutorial. How do you use their app? First, let's talk about how to register and verify your Coins.ph account. So you can actually sign up for an account in two ways, either using their mobile app or through their desktop. Through the mobile app, you just need to download their app, Coins.ph, in the Google Play Store or dun sa App Store. Then you can sign up using Facebook or pwede mo rin ilagay yung email address mo or phone number. Once you input your details, you'll receive a verification code either sa email mo or ita-text nila sa'yo. And then, boom, i-verify mo lang and now you have your Coins.ph account. If you're signing up through desktop, more or less the same lang naman yung process. You can choose whether you want to sign up using your email address or your phone number. Then you have to wait for the verification code. And once you're in, you're in. There's your account na. But after this step, it's best to verify your account to a higher level para mas mataas yung cash in and cash out limits mo. So there's 3 verification levels, each with different requirements, and as you level up yung verification, mas mataas na rin yung cash in, cash out limit mo. After signing up, level 1 is completed. Pero if you want to proceed to level 2, you need to verify your identity. Kung estudyante ka, if you're 14 to 17 years old, you can use your student's ID to verify. For everyone else, you need a valid ID lang, which you can find the list of in the website. Meron din yung custom limit, tapos for businesses, these are separate types of requirements naman. Depende lang if you have that much transactions using your Coins.ph account. Next, let's talk about how to cash in and cash out to your account. Madali lang naman. You can cash in through 7-Eleven, mga department store, using other e-wallets, bank transfers from your other bank accounts, or pwede rin sa remittance centers, sa mga Palawan Express, Lulier, or internationally, kung mayroon magpapadala sa'yo from abroad, they can also cash into your Coins.ph account. Pag magka-cash out naman, marami rin silang options. You can use InstaPay, which to transfer to your bank account, no? Pwede rin yung mga remittance centers, mga LBC, Palawan Express, Lulier. And then third, mini tutorial on how to buy crypto. If this is your first time buying crypto, maybe this is gonna be exciting. For Coins.ph, you can buy as low as 5 pesos, no? There's 2 ways to transact. Sabi ko nga, they have a separate exchange sa website, but easily magagawa mo rin siya dito sa app. So you just have to go here, you tap here, crypto prices, no? Makikita mo yung list of the crypto that they have available. Let's say gusto ko ng Ethereum, tap that. Then makikita ko here yung price. Then kung gusto kong bumili, I'll just press buy. And then I'll input kung magkano gusto ko. Let's say for example, 500 pesos worth of Ethereum, tap that, and then slide. That's it. I bought my Ethereum na. Kung gusto ko naman ibenta, same process, I'll just press sell. And then I'll enter how much Ethereum I want to sell. Slide, and that's it. It's also easy to send and receive crypto. Let's say, for example, magpapadala ka ng Ethereum to a friend. So, I'll just press on send. Kung meron ka na yung Ethereum address na, you can just paste it here. Or, if they actually have a Coins.ph account, you can just use that. Kung mag-receive ka naman, you just press receive, and the app will show you kung ano yung Ethereum, yung crypto address mo. Let's say, for example, this is my Ethereum address. So, kung magpapadala kayo ng Ethereum sa akin, this is what you'll need. So ayun, that's it. Now you can experience one of the easiest ways, no, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies here in the Philippines using your Coins.ph app. You can actually download the Coins.ph app using the link in the description. But if ever you encounter any problems, no, they have a lot of help articles on their website, or you can also send them a message sa may help center nila so that they can address your concerns if ever magka-problema kayo. But ayun, I hope you guys learned something new, especially about Coins.ph. And gentle reminder lang, no, if you're gonna try out crypto, you're gonna dive deep into it, especially kung beginner kayo, just please be careful, manage your risk. Crypto is a very, very volatile space, especially ngayon, medyo down ang market ng crypto, so mag-ingat na lang kayo kung saan nyo pinapasok ang pera. Yeah, just be mindful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye! So they have a couple of coins available na on their app, but I believe na magdadagdag pa sila. Dagdag. Do you hear the cat? Tell me, narinig niyo yung pusa na nag-aaway sa labas. It's so funny. Nakisama na rin yung aso.